Hey guys, welcome back to Mother-in-Law Apartment, episode number 2. If you haven't seen the first one, I'll put a card up at the top that you can go see that. When we first started this process, the basement looked just like this. It was kind of a little storage area and just bare walls. We had insulation on the walls, and that's about it. So we kind of gathered together as a family and built a little army of construction workers and started framing. So I basically acted as the general contractor for this process. I've got 2 nephews who are electricians and one that's a plumber, and they did their part to help finish the basement, and I pretty much directed the rest of it. So ta-da! We got walls framed up pretty quick, and then we started on the sheetrock and all of those other interior processes. But I'm just going to play some music and let you watch this and go through. We were in a big hurry to get this finished, so I didn't really take a lot of video of this process, but framing's framing. We just made sure that all of our walls were square, that sort of thing, and our door openings were the right sizes for the doors that we wanted to get and that sort of thing. It's not super technical, but it's got to be done right. So enjoy the video and check back. Be sure and subscribe and click like so that you can see more of my stuff.